Imagine this, a legend reborn, a car that once defined the golden era of roadsters, now poised to make a comeback. The year is 2026, and Honda is about to drop a bombshell. Could this be the revival of the iconic S2000? Or is it just another teaser to break our hearts? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into the 2026 Honda S2000 revealed. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now I know what you're thinking. Honda, are you really bringing back the S2000? Or are you just playing with our emotions like that one ex who said they'd call? Well, buckle up because we're about to find out. Let's take a trip down memory lane. The original Honda S2000 wasn't just a car, it was a statement. Introduced in 1999, it was Honda's love letter to driving purists. A high-revving 2.0-liter engine, a perfect 50 to 50 weight distribution, and a manual transmission that felt like an extension of your soul. It was raw, it was thrilling, and it was alive. But here's the thing. Times have changed. The automotive world has shifted towards electric powertrains, autonomous driving, and SUVs that look like they've been hitting the gym too hard. So the question is, can the S2000 make a comeback in this new era? Or will it be a relic of the past, forever stuck in our Instagram throwbacks? Wait, did I just hear someone say, but what about the Miata? Oh, you're one of those people, huh? Don't worry, we'll get to that. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say the roadster in the garage. The 2026 Honda S2000 has been teased, and boy, does it look good. Honda's designers have taken the classic S2000 DNA and injected it with a dose of futuristic flair. Think sharp angles, LED lighting, and a stance that screams, "I'm here to dominate." Inside, expect a cockpit that's driver-focused with a mix of analog and digital elements. Imagine a retro-inspired steering wheel paired with a state-of-the-art infotainment system. And yes, before you ask, there's a manual transmission option, because some things are just sacred. Wait, did I just hear a collective sigh of relief from all the manual transmission enthusiasts? You're welcome. Now let's talk power. Rumors suggest the new S2000 could pack a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, pushing out over 300 horsepower. And with Honda's legendary engineering, you know it's going to handle like a dream. But here's the kicker. What if Honda surprises us with a hybrid or even a fully electric version? The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes this so exciting. But here's the real question. Will it live up to the hype? Or will it be another case of never meet your heroes? Stay tuned, because we're about to find out. The 2026 Honda S2000 isn't just a car, it's a symbol of Honda's commitment to its roots while embracing the future. In a world where SUVs and crossovers dominate the market, the S2000 is a bold statement. It's a reminder that driving should be about passion, not just practicality. Of course, it's not going to have an easy ride. The Mazda Miata is still the king of affordable roadsters, and the Toyota Supra and BMW Z4 are waiting in the wings. But here's the thing. The S2000 has something they don't. It has history. It has a legacy. And if Honda plays its cards right, it could reclaim its throne as the ultimate driver's car. Plus, let's be real. Who doesn't want to see a Honda take down a BMW? Am I right? But here's the million-dollar question. Will the 2026 S2000 be a game changer or just a nostalgic nod to the past? The answer could shape the future of sports cars as we know it. The 2026 Honda S2000 is more than just a car. It's a dream of open roads, endless horizons, and the pure joy of driving. Whether it lives up to the legend or not, one thing's for sure. It's going to make waves, and we can't wait to see where it takes us. So what do you think? Is the S2000 the comeback king we've all been waiting for? Or is it just another flash in the pan? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you're as excited about the future of cars as I am, don't forget to check out my next video on the 2025 BMW X8 Unveiled, the most attractive full-size premium SUV. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep driving, and remember, the road is yours to conquer. See you on the next ride.